An open letter to our Filipino soldiers. Once, there were soldiers who died for us. They were the brave men who lost their lives for us. They were fighters who suffered for the cause of freedom for all Filipinos. They sacrificed many things so that we may be free. They left their family behind so that we may spend time with ours. They fight for you and me. They fight so we may be free. Being in a war zone is not something a soldier wants, but they do it anyway for us. Why? Well, it's simple. They are soldiers, our heroes.